Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a laptop keyboard auto pressing on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. You just need to expand the keyboard section and right click on your keyboard and select update driver. Select browse my computer for drivers. Select let me pick from a list of available drivers. Select the driver and select next. And after getting done, select yes and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, check if the problem solved or not. If not, then you just need to right click on the driver and select uninstall device option. After getting uninstalled done, just to close stuff here and restart your PC, and that will be reinstalled after the restart, and then you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, go to search menu and type settings, click on open it. On left side, select accessibility. On right side, just need to select keyboard. Scroll down and select keyboard. Turn off sticky keys, filter keys, toggle keys, three of it, turn it off. After that, just to close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type keyboard troubleshoot. Comes up with find and fix keyboard problems. Click on open it. Select this next option and this will detect issues. After getting this completed, check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 4, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. Type here keyboard, click on the keyboard. Speed under repeat delay set it to long, repeat rate set it to slow, and select play and OK for save changes. Now check if the problem solved or not. If you are still facing out key presses, it might be a faulty keyboard circuit. Visit a professional technician. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.